Single leg stretch. Make sure to use your low belly to keep your hips rotated towards the mat. Curl your shoulders off of the mat, look towards your abdominals. Pull one knee into your chest with both hands. Extend your opposite leg away. Keep pulling your belly button towards your spine as you continue to switch legs. 10 times each leg. Remember, this exercise can be done with your head up or down. If you feel pain in your neck, rest your head to the ground. Continue to focus on pulling your low belly in and up towards your rib cage. Double leg stretch. Reach your arms and legs away from your core while keeping your belly pulled in towards your spine. Start with reaching both arms and legs straight to the sky. Circle your arms around, bend your knees, grab onto your shins. As you progress in this exercise, you can go lower with your legs, as long as your low back doesn't arch off of the mat. Scissors. Feel the stretch of your hamstrings as you keep your tailbone heavy into the mat. Reach both legs as straight as you can up to the ceiling. Grab behind one leg with both hands. Give yourself a gentle pull and then scissor to switch your legs. Focus on pulling your belly button in and up towards your rib cage as you switch the legs. Try to make the switch as dynamic as possible. Lower lift. Keep your elbows wide with your hands behind your head. Pull your low belly in as you reach your legs away and in deeper as you pull your legs back toward you. You can do this exercise with your head up or down. Reach both legs to the sky. Squeeze the back of your legs together. Lower your legs only as low as you can keep your low back and hips on the floor. Your main focus here is to keep your abdominals pulled in as flat as you can make them as you lower your legs, and even flatter as you bring them back up to the ceiling. Criss cross. Try to keep your shoulders off of the mat as you rotate your upper body. Feel your hips stable on the mat. With hand over hand behind the base of your head, curl up and bring your armpit towards your knee and your knee towards your armpit, extending your opposite leg away from you. Pull your belly button towards your spine. As you twist from side to side, make sure that both sides of your hips stay on the mat. Do not let your hips come off of the floor. Rotate your pelvis to feel the back of your hips on the mat. If you have any questions about any exercise, please contact me directly or on Instagram at Just Don't Stop. Remember, all of these exercises can be done with your head up or down. If you feel neck pain, rest your neck. If you feel low back pain, bring your legs closer to 90 degrees rather than 45 degrees.